Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will be showing you how to install MagisTV on your Amazon FireStick. This app is great for streaming live TV channels and movies. So first, go to your FireStick settings and select My Fire TV. Now from there, navigate to the developer options and turn on apps from unknown sources. This will allow you to install third-party apps like MagisTV. Next, go to the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app. Install it, and this app will help you download the MagisTV APK file. Next, open the downloader app and enter the URL for the MagisTV APK file. Once the file is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install MagisTV on your Fire Stick. So after installation, open MagisTV and configure it according to your preferences. You may need to log in or set up your channels for the first time. And that's how you install MagisTV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.